Hey guys, I am at the Seminole Hard Rock in a room in the Hard Rock Tower. I want to say it's the Northwest Tower. This is what we're looking like. You got storage. You got a fridge with nothing in it, which is great, which means they stopped putting stuff in there so you would spend more money. This is your closet space because you don't actually have like a big old closet over there. Your closet space, pretty big. And then this is the window. I get to look at all of the lights, and they are on at night. They're pretty bright. And that is the guitar. I am moving into the guitar one because that's what I reserved. But I came in late, so they put me over here. So yeah. Anyway, this is the rest of the room. I'm in one that had 2 queen beds in it. I didn't necessarily like this bed. I think there's something wrong with like the pillow mattress under it. It's like a steeple. So if you lay in the center, it's the highest point. And then if you're not in the center, you're rolling off the bed. Past that, I mean, it's a nice black splash. Very nice pictures. Very, posh decor compared to how like Hard Rock used to be, and compared to how like Beau Rivage is and everything, with it being here. So here you have the restroom and the sink area. I'm not turning on the light so you guys can see like the accent lighting that's going on here. They do provide you robes, which is great. And the shower is pretty cool. Look at all them gadgets. Yes, this is the shower. The bathroom is pretty nice. It's a really solid, thick door. Past that, only complaint I have is this low flow toilet. And the fact that you're up to your knees in your ears. And that's the other issue that I have. Light under the door is forever there. But past that, it's kind of cool. You actually have a doorbell on the outside of your room. And you got this like key panel. So this turns on your lights and everything behind you, which is that guy. And I mean, as I said, it's pretty posh decor. You got like privacy, makeup room, and everything of that nature. And you got a little door stopper. Ain't it cool? That's a guitar pick. Check out this little bell. That's hilarious. And then when somebody rings it, well, because the door's open, it's not going to go ding dong. But yes, this is 30352.